everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new, I'm Jeanette from Boutique Sewing and Crafts, and in this video what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be embroidering names on Portia's members jackets. Okay, so right here I have some jackets and I have names that are going to be embroidered on them. The customer measured and placed the name exactly where they want it to go on their jacket. And one of the things that I'm going to do to make sure that the placement is correct is I'm going to be using something called the Snowman sticker. Now, I just had it in my hand. Here it is. So these are Snowman stickers, and what these do is you place these stickers exactly where you want the embroidery to embroider on the actual product, right? So one of the things that I'm going to be trying to do is I want to test this out before I actually put it on the actual jacket, because I don't want to mess up their jacket at all. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be testing it out on a piece of fabric. Okay, these were the test stitches that I did. They're very happy with it. So I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to be testing this out. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove these jackets out of the way, so that way we don't have them in view and they don't distract anything. Now, something that I want to tell you guys about these stickers, okay? These stickers, sometimes I have heard people try to copy them and stuff like that. I don't know what is so special about them. They do feel kind of very smooth. I think there is a special coating on here that the machine reads. I'm not sure. I could be wrong. You do have to buy replacements. I've heard that people have tried to make copies of it and try to find an inexpensive way instead of rebuying all the stickers, and haven't been very successful. Just something that I, wanted to let you guys know up front. These do stick a couple of times to your items. This particular sticker that I have right here does not, okay? It doesn't stick anymore, but I do have a little workaround. One of the things that I'm doing is I'm using this, okay? And I'm gonna get, it's crafter's tape. It's the permanent one, and what I'm doing is I'm actually going to take this and I printed out the template, right? So as you know, whenever you print out the template, it has like this little X area right here. That's the middle. What I want to do is I want to take the sticker and I actually want to place it over that area on here, and then I want to do the scan and see if it shows exactly where it is. Because if that's the case, and that would be really simple, I don't have to even put the sticker on the garment. I can put it on the template itself and then scan it. So let's see how this works. Now, of course, this doesn't have much stick in it. It looked like it did stick a little bit, but what I like to do is I'm going to take this item and I'm just going to place just a little bit of glue in the back, okay? Just to see if I can make it just a little bit better so it sticks a little better on the piece of paper. Okay, I'm not going to put much, just a little tab, because that's all I need. And this is just to test this theory out. I am hoping that it works. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that that little circle right here at the bottom, okay, which is really like the X area, okay, is going to match with the X area on the template. Okay, so I'm going to place it on here. Be careful and precise as possible. It's going to be a little hard. Let's see if I can just fold it, and there we go. That'll work. There you go. I got it here, and I got it here. Okay, so there we go. So I have this right on my sticker, and it is right on the center point. So now what I plan on doing is just to test it out to make sure, I'm going to tilt this on purpose just a little bit, okay? Because I want to see if it'll actually do it and it'll read the snowman on there. Okay, so I'm going to put tape on the side of this right here. I got Mel in my way. Oh, sorry Sorry, Mello. Okay, so I'm gonna put some tape on the side. And then now what we're going to do is I'm going to take this over to the machine and I want to test this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the snowman scan. And I want it to actually print out this way, okay? So we should see it on a little slant, and that means that it read the sticker on top of the template just to see. And if this is the case, this is a great way for you to make sure that you have excellent placement all the time. So if a customer goes and takes a template, just like the customer did on this jacket, and they went and they placed it, they said, this is exactly where I want it, because he measured it and everything. All I have to do is then take this snowman sticker, put it right on top of the template, and it's going to be perfect, okay? And, one of the things that is really funny too is sometimes you really have to worry about the hooping and everything. Once you have this where you want it and you hoop the item, even if the item is a little crooked or whatever, it's as long as it's within the hoop and you scan it, it's actually going to print it the way, not print it, embroider it in the direction that it's supposed to be on the exact spot. So let's test this and let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so here I am at the machine. I have it set up for my 5.5 by 5.5 mighty hoop, or is this my 5x5? Yep, 5.5, 5.5. Okay, so here we go. All right, so what I'm going to do in here is I am going to pull up the name. Okay, now my screen is a little bit on the mess up side, so let's just go ahead. What I'm going to do is I am going to do a scan, okay? Let me just, so you see it's scanning. All right, so here we go. So as you can see, and I'm gonna move this up a little bit. Let me try to get the camera over here. What I did, okay, let me put this back a little bit here so that you can see exactly what I'm pressing. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So as you can see, this is where I have the sticker right on here on the template, okay? So what I did was I just went ahead and I hit this button right here, which is the little camera, and it is to scan. All right, so after I scan, I'm gonna hit end edit. And when you hit end edit, you get the option to do a snowman. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that and I'm going to hit OK. And it's saying, hey, where is your center point? So as you can see, I have the snowman right there, okay? And I know it's really hard for you to see. See how you have it right there? Okay, so this is okay. So I'm going to hit OK right here. And I'm going to hit OK. And then right now, what it's supposed to be doing is supposed to be recognizing the snowman. And as you can see right here, it has like the little red. So it did recognize it. It's recognizing it, and that's what it's saying. Okay, and then right here, it says remove the positioning mark. So which to me means that I can go ahead and I can now remove this template together with this. I can now take this off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to hit embroider. And it's selecting needle number 10. I don't want that to do that. I want it to select needle number 1. The reason why I'm changing it out to needle number 1 is because if you look behind here, that is where I have my 60 weight thread with my 65 needle, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start embroidering, and I want to see if this is actually going to embroider it slanted exactly how I had it in here. So if that's the case, and it does look like it's going to do exactly that. So we'll see. Let's let it stitch out and we'll take a look at it. Okay, I think this has proven that you can do this. I was wondering about it. Let me pull back a little bit here. The focus here. Look at that. That is exactly where I had the sticker, and I put the snowman sticker right on top of the template. And as a matter of fact, while I was sewing it, I went ahead and I put the snowman sticker right on top of the right on top where the jacket is going to be. So now I am very, very comfortable. I know this is going to embroider perfectly. So guys, I just wanted to show you guys this. If you have a 10 needle brother embroidery machine that has the snowman functionality, okay? A lot of times, sometimes, you just, people think you just have to put the sticker on where you want it and that's it. Sometimes, you want the template so you can actually see how the whole embroidery design is going to look. Put the sticker on top of the template and then you're golden. You're golden. You will always, always have it exactly where you want it to embroider. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. And I hope you guys have a good time enjoying those snowman stickers and utilizing them so that you can make sure that you have a perfect placement every time. So if you like what you see in this video, please subscribe to my channel. And I have Embroidery Happy Hour every Friday at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Happy sewing, happy embroidering. Bye.